Hello guys, good morning. Ayan guys, magkape tayo with kamuti. Ayan guys, marami akong gagawing kamuti. Ayan. Almusal tayo guys ng kamuti at saka kape guys. Ayan, kape ko guys. Anong laman? Breakfast is the best meal every day. So, huwag kayong mag-skip ng breakfast nyo, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Harap ng kamote. Samahan na mainit na kape.